Today, my father is becoming the bride she ever desired to be. As her daughter, I've witnessed her journey of self-discovery and acceptance. It's been a path filled with love and understanding. I remember the first time I helped her with her transformation. It was a profound moment, one that marked the beginning of a beautiful metamorphosis. Together, we navigated this intricate journey, and I watched as she embraced her true self. The process began with the removal of facial hair, a symbolic shedding of the old to make way for the new. I applied a nourishing serum, not just for the skin, but also as a symbol of the care and support I wanted to provide. When my father first confided in me about his desire to embrace his true self, I was filled with a mix of emotions: surprise, curiosity, and a bit of uncertainty. But as I watched him embark on this transformation, I realized that it was a profound act of courage and authenticity. The process involved reshaping his brows, giving them a fierce and sharp look that mirrored her determination. Eye makeup followed, blending colors, adding glitter, and finishing with sharp eyeliner and mascara that accentuated her captivating eyes. A touch of lighter tones highlighted her best features, a reflection of her natural beauty. And finally, the lips are adorned with matte pink, the finishing touch to this incredible journey. As I look at her now, radiant in her wedding dress, I can't help but feel proud of the woman she's become. This transformation is a testament to her courage and the unbreakable bond between a father and daughter. In sharing this story, I hope to inspire others to embrace their true selves, no matter how unconventional the path may seem. Love and acceptance are the keys to unlocking our most authentic selves.